to the gender parity subject. One is not, so I think I.
And clearly, there was never an intention to show disrespect to any religious group. On the contrary, I think that Thomas Joly really tried to really intend to celebrate community tolerance. That was his word yesterday. And looking at the result of the polls that we shared, we believe that this ambition was achieved. If people have taken any offense, we are, of course, really, really sorry.
It was a ceremony like no other, and those are games like no other. I think that our hosts, it's easy for me to say, and we should all be grateful and thankful, they have put together a vision for these games, which is unprecedented. It's an incredible vision for games. We're trying to showcase that in the best possible way.
Mais notre intention n'a jamais été d'être impertinent ou d'être subversif, comme je l'ai dit tout à l'heure. Notre idée, c'est simplement que oui, dans cette grande diversité, il y a besoin d'être conjointement. Nous avons en tout cas voulu nous conjointement inclure tout le monde. Voilà. En France, la création artistique est libre, c'est le premier article de la loi sur la liberté de création. J'en profite comme d'autres libertés en France, dans ce pays, on a la chance de ça. Il n'y avait pas de volonté pour moi de passer de messages plus, militants. C'était simplement des messages républicains. En France, on a le droit de s'aimer comme on veut, avec qui on veut. En France, on a le droit de croire ou de ne pas croire. En France, on a beaucoup de droits, voilà. Et c'était l'idée de faire transparaître ces valeurs-là à travers la cérémonie.
So we made it very clear from the IOC an operational mistake was made. We can only apologise in an evening of so many moving parts that mistake was made, and we apologise to people from the Republic of Korea for that error.
일어나지 않아야 될 일이 일어났고 또 일어났을 때는 대처가 아주 신속하게 이루어져야 된다고 생각해서 개식 직후에 저희는 이제 IOC 위원장에 면담을 요청을 했고 또 한국 외교부와도 이제 관련 상황에 대해서 유감을 표명하면서 뭔가 조금 재발 방지 대책을 위해서 또 이 관련해서도 국민들께 사과를 해야 하는 여러 가지 일정들을 저희가 지금 이루어지도록 요청을 했고요. 우리나라의 국민으로서도 지금